And here's my next lawnmower find. This is a Toro Recycler. It's a 22-inch cut mower with a overhead valve Kohler engine. This is 6.75 gross torque, 149 cc. And this was a moving sale. It didn't come with a bag or a side chute. This is the higher rear wheel model. Overall, looks like it's in really good condition. Just needs a good cleaning up. I'm not sure if he bought this used or bought it new. I'm not sure what happened to the bag with it, but didn't come when one should have. Sorry for the shadow there. But it started right up in his yard. And that does have a wash port. A little bit of a different engine here. I had one earlier in this year that they couldn't get to start, and I was able to get it to start by putting some carburetor cleaner in there. Kind of looking at this the first time together here because I bought this just last night. And it does have the Toro Recycler blade on here, pretty much like the Personal Pace and the other self-propelled front-wheel drive. And this is a front-wheel drive lawnmower. A lot of stuff I need to clean out from that gearbox. Looks pretty good underneath, just needs a good cleaning. Engine looks pretty clean. Let's check the oil and air filter in here. And the oil stick is on the side of this engine here. It looks dirty. It looks a little bit low as well. Probably has never been changed. This looks like a 2013 model. I'll also show you the serial number. And here's the model and serial number of this Toro. It's 20371. And the serial number looks like it's a 2013 model. Looks pretty clean back here. Got a lot of debris and trash to clean up. Let's take a look at the air filter here. It should be under here. Looks a little bit dirty. It's like a foam filter. Yeah, we're going to have to clean this out pretty good here before we put it back in. It's a foam filter in this Kohler. Wheels seem to be in good shape on here. I like the higher rear wheels, makes it push much easier. Not quite as scraped up as bad as the most recent Toro that I got. And we got a few scratches here on the frame. And that's the rear wheel here. A little dirty. We'll get this all cleaned up. Let's give this a start. Alright, let's see if it'll start today. It's an auto choke engine. Here we go.